Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best Ninja Trader Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, Ninja Trader is a trading platform and software suite developed by Ninja Trader Group, which is known for its free-to-use market analysis, live trading, and charting features. The Ninja Trader platform is mostly used in trading CFDs, stocks, Forex, futures, provides over 1,000 add-on applications, and is home to over 60,000 users from various countries around the world. In this list, we will be going through some of the top best Ninja Trader Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have City Index. City Index is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, commodities, metals, bonds, and more. Their accounts feature personal, premium, professional, self-managed, corporate, trust and joint accounts with competitive pricing, access to 24-hour trading support, educational and professional coaching services, and more. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web trader and mobile applications, as well as eToro and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Connections through Ninja Trader are also available with key access. City Index also provides their very own educational center, which delves into topics such as introductions to the financial markets, various guides in beginner trading, a video learning library, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. Access to the Ninja Trader platform is available under Managing Application Permissions when you open your account. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 3, we have XTB. XTB is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation Mobile, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Integration with Ninja Trader is also available and supported. XTB also provides their very own education center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, and a variety of others if you are looking to expand your education. At number 2 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, Ninja Trader, Zulu Trade, as well as FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are available on standard, mini, and active trader accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into beginners Forex trading guides, training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the best Ninja Trader Forex brokers, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 for desktop, web, and mobile, as well as the Ninja Trader platform. Their accounts feature standard, commission, and STP Pro accounts with up to 82 tradable currency pairs, a variety of market instruments, faster executions, professional support, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own education center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading topics, with a variety of themes such as risk management, trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis, as well as in-depth webinars which you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And those are the top 5 best Ninja Trader Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.